Papa, we gotta go find keys.
Hey, Shannon,
No, I'm Sophia. Someone probably already took it. Go. We're gonna die.
Oh, wait, so I saw. Is that Popcat? That's Popcat.
Hard Papa.
Yep, I'm hiding behind the light thingy.
I died. that does not jump scare, but luckily I can crawl.
Cosmo.
I'm not dead, it's just I got poisoned. What? Thank you.
You're welcome, Cosmo.
Wait, how do you do that? How do you do that?
How? I'll just.
Hard.
Please help me.
I can't. I don't know how to.
Wait. So if you get out of there, you can like, yeah, just wait. Okay, now heal me.
Yeah, quickly go on this thing.
The power.
Puppy,
of
quickly go on.
friendship.
Yippee!
Well, I'm not confident, Sophia.
Sophia. I can't see him. But stop.
And both fun fact, Cosmo and Sprout are actually a boy. Oh my God! Look! It's a Popcat. Ow! Stop.
Popcat.
Yeah, I think we should be safe. Yeah.
Unsafe. Probably outside. He's dead. I'm so dead. It's fun. I'm starting healing people.
You're hiding here.
Was he following you?
No.
I'm gonna dance.
I'm just getting some dancing in here.
He can't see me. Wait, what one are you doing? Because I'm doing this one.
Me just dancing the way to survive this day. Only 2 more
But
keys
what
to
one is
go.
it? What one is it? What one is that, puppy? I'm gonna do the one else.
How do you like that, boy? Right, you like boy. That just feels like what the hell is this?
I think it's a Papa, we gotta go in our bedroom. Not in the. Because my tablet's about to die. Me, I die.
Yeah, I think your tablet is gonna die. And then we have to stop this.
Baby, tell me one
Yay,
more
our
time.
mission is complete. Okay, Cosmo, I think we might, yeah. You can call me back to now on, and I'll call you Cosmo.
Cosmo.
Oh, I'm still dancing. I'm still dancing.
Me too.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Run.
What was that?
I said I need to take a screenshot.
Sorry, this is harder than before. I dancing.
And how to get it so you can have it on the sun.
Let's do this. Yay!
From
This is
a lot of people
motorbike.
dead.
Right.
3 people died. This is my favorite. Looks like we're on the ground. My exit is still by magic circle. I like magic items to make. Okay, let's do it customer. I know where one of the magic items are.
Puppy, away from me.
I have one magic item.
Oh my goodness, that was so lucky. Before someone even got me. I heard.
Not gonna lie, but I think this is like gonna be the most like longest short in the channel. Oh, our channel, not
We
yours.
already did it for 6 minutes.
Yeah, it's been 6 minutes.
I hate when I go do that.
You got this, friend. Look at that! It's seriously become hide. You know better, like you said no simply hide. Look, Annabelle, look, I'm out here, just minding my own business.
Good. Baby, tell me one
Oh my
more
gosh,
time.
he almost...
Puppy!
Cosmo.
I about to die.
Oh, I was gonna get you. No. Cosmo, I think we might end by eyeball accident. No, we got an eyeball
Save me!
accident.
She's not saving.
Gosh. Oh, what's... Annabelle, look.
Oh god. How much do we need? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We only need 11 more.
I know. No, I'm just scared. I'm so glad you heard someone like our actual ability in Dandy's world. Bruh. Quickly hide. No!
No, help me. Yay.
Now hide. And don't get out.
Mhm.
Please, I need help. Honey, I need help. Oh my god, quick.
I found one.
I'm getting healed.
Woo.
I'm getting stuck. I'm in here. Quick,
I can't.
find somewhere to hide. Quick. I don't want to use my ability because I'm still in my cooldown.
Oh my god, I need to get back to where you were.
Just quick, Cosmo. And we're almost complete. Girl, we're already in chapter 3. Okay, we just need one more. We just need one more. And then we're complete.
Yep, but we got one more.
Mission
This one
complete.
completed.
Well, it goes all the way up to here. Wait, we can just make this a video about me so it doesn't go too long.
Should this be done, Poppy?
Yeah. Now, bye, guys. I hope
Hopefully you like and subscribe. Thank you.